let's take a look at this tour through South Holland and the Rhine. Beautiful binding here. Looks to be late 19th century to my eyes. Nice marbled boards. When we open it up, what we see after the half title is a nice, very nice engraved frontispiece here, dated 1831. And the title page here, it's by Sir John Barrow, and the title page is London, 1831 as well. It's got deckled edges, and scattered throughout the text are these very nice steel engraved plates, which have tissue guards facing them. Some of them do anyway. This is right here, Rotterdam. And here we have the town hall in The Hague. And then we get to Leiden. And next we have Amsterdam. That's the Hague. And text, you'll notice, is nice and clean. Here's another nice Amstel River view in Amsterdam. Okay. And there we have the Rhine, Bingen, and so on. And this very attractive and well-preserved early 19th century book is now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.